Hey guys, it's Steffi, the trad wife who does it all. Welcome back to another episode of Hustling and Homemaking. In today's video, I am going to make flourless 4-ingredient peanut butter cookies. This is a great recipe for anybody who is low on time and ingredients. The ingredients you will need are 1 egg, sugar, vanilla extract, and peanut butter. Step number 1. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Step number 2, mix together all of the ingredients. 1 cup sugar, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1 cup of peanut butter, and 1 egg. This is a lot easier to mix than I anticipated. Step number 3. Make walnut-sized balls of your dough and place them on a cookie sheet. It's like playing with Play-Doh. Next, we're going to mash down our cookies in a crisscross pattern with a fork. Next, we bake our cookies in the oven for 8 to 10 minutes until they are golden brown. They're all done. Let's go see how they turned out. All right, so I have a little dilemma here. My cookies came out of the oven. I had them in for 10 minutes. They're still extremely soft to the point that it's basically too soft to even form into a cookie. I can't even hold it. And so I'm going to put these cookies back into the oven for a few more minutes and see if this helps the problem. And then we're going to let them cool down, and they're going to be cooled down right in time for Austin to come home. So I hope he approves of them because he's the ultimate taste tester. I'm so happy to report that my flourless 4-ingredient peanut butter cookies are Austin approved. I call that a win. I hope you all enjoyed my video today. Please like it, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. And as always, be free.